Rehab's late. Have Wallace think I'm on his pager again. You want something from carryout?
Yeah, Lake Trout sub.
Hey up.
Damn, you asked. I thought you was treat.
Well, you thought wrong. I ain't no bank.
Yeah, you stingy like one.
Just make sure you give me enough.
Yeah. No mayo, extra hot, something to drink.
All right.
Yo, he go for food?
Yep.
Why you ain't tell me my stomach growling like a motherfucker?
Starve, nigga.
Man, shit. Yo, Rehab's here.
Stink, what up?
What's up, bro? 10 minutes, yo.
10?
Yeah.
All right.
Who there?
Y'all got my back, you heard? Get the fuck in here. Get your ass down. Sit your stupid ass down. Get the fuck down. Shit, stay there, bitch. Yo, come on, get down, get down. Get the fuck down, motherfucker.
Hey, yo, where that?
Move, go ahead.
Ain't nothing here, yo.
Get your fucking head on.
Where that, man? Where that, shorty?
Kitchen, under the sink.
Hey, yo, go on and get that.
G-Packs. Let's roll.
Just two.
Yo, Omar, come on. Hey, what the? Get the fuck out of here.